Hey guys, we are from the team Happy Learnerholic and today we are going to see the question water image diamond pattern. So according to the question, the program is accept an integer as input. The program is print 2 into n lines of output based on the following condition. First line, the program is print n minus 1 asterisk without any space. Then the program is print the integer 1. Second line, the program is print n minus 2 asterisk without any space. And then the program is print the integer 2 and 3 separated by a space in reverse order. And in the third line, the program is print n minus 3 asterisks without any space. Then the program is print integer 4, 5, 6 separated by space in reverse order. Similarly, the program is print the lines till nth line. After printing the nth line, the program is print exact water image of the first n lines as the output. Moving on to the boundary condition, n should be less than 100. Input format. First line must consist of n and output format. 2n lines based on all the above conditions. Moving ahead with the explanation and test case. So initially the value is 3. So when the input is 3, yeah. When the input is 3, what you initially start with is 1. Okay. We start with 1 and we go on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you do next is you reverse them. So I hope getting this pattern is easy. Just have a k value, set k to 1 initially and append the k in a list and increment the k in the loop. You have to have two loops in order to construct a matrix kind of format. Okay, so since this part is looking like a matrix, you should obviously have two formats. Okay, so initially k will be 1 and then you're incrementing the value of k. So getting this part is easy. And next what you do is you get this part. How will you get this part from this part? That is reverse. You are reversing it. So when you reverse it, this part you will get. And here what you're doing is initially you have a to be n because we should have n minus 1, right? So n minus 1. So a minus 1 will be 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 asterisks initially. And then the value gets decremented. So what you do? Decrement the value of a. So you would get this part also. I hope getting the first part you people are clear with. Moving ahead with the mirror image, we know the last value of k to be 6. So you start with the k value to be 6 and start decrementing the value. So initially k value is 6. So when you decrement it will become 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So you would get this matrix easily. This matrix in the sense this triangle easily. And moving ahead, the other part of the triangle, initially you have 0 and then you have 1 and then you have 2, right? So now what is this? This is like you are printing star I times. So initially I value is 0, so 0. And then I value is 1 and so 1 star asterisk. Then it is 2, so 2 asterisk is printed. So this is the main logic behind this code. Moving ahead with the code explanation, first line you are getting the input. Second line as discussed you are initializing the value of k and a to the value of n. For I in range n, what you are doing initially you are printing this part. How many times? N minus 1. So that is a minus 1. A minus time you are printing. And then you are setting b to be an open array. In b you are appending the value of k. And how you are appending? Initially it will be 1 and then you are incrementing it. So 2, 3. Okay. And you append that way. And how many times you are appending? Like J. So first it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3. So how it goes? You start from A to A plus 1. I mean to N plus 1. And A you decrement, right? So here you are appending the value of B, you are appending the value of K to B and then incrementing K. So it goes on. But then when you go on, you get only this part. So what you ought to do? Reverse it. So when you reverse it, you are printing this line just to reverse it. And then you are decrementing the value of A. So here how many stars you will have? 2 minus 1. So when you come back again, you will have only 1 star. So that is why decrementation step is put up here. And then you are equating B of minus 1, the last value of B to K. So what will come here? 6. 6 will come here. For I in range N, print I into star. So this part I already told, I into star. Again you are having B and from I to N the range. Now in B you are appending K. So you are appending first 6 and then you're decrementing. So 5 and then you're decrementing. So 4. So it goes on like that. And since you're decrementing, there's no need to reverse. You print B as such. Hope you guys are clear with the program. If you get the output for the program, give a thumbs up symbol. If you get any errors or any queries, please do reach us through the mail ID provided. Thank you guys. Meet you in the next video.